Before Happiness. Author, Shawn. What is the book about? Before Happiness is a self-help book by Shawn. It teaches us how to create a positive mindset that leads to success and real happiness. The main idea is this. Many people believe they will be happy after they become successful, but this is not true. Happiness should come first. When we feel positive and strong, success comes more easily. That's why the book is called Before Happiness. Happiness comes before success, not after it. The author gives us 5 important steps to change how we think and feel. If we follow these steps, we can live a better life, improve our work, and help others too. Main message: success doesn't create happiness. Happiness creates success. When your brain is positive, it works better. You have more energy, better ideas, and stronger relationships. So, if you want to reach your goals, you must first learn how to feel happy and hopeful, even before your situation changes. The 5 steps of Before Happiness. 1. Choose the best reality. See a better story. Everyone sees the world in a different way. Some people focus on problems, stress, and fear. Others focus on opportunities, hope, and solutions. Achor says we should learn to see the positive side of life. Imagine 2 people in the same situation. One sees only the bad, the other sees a chance to grow. Who will do better? The one who sees the opportunity. How to do it? Every day, write 3 good things that happened. Practice gratitude. Say thank you more often. Look for solutions, not problems. Your brain learns to see more good things if you train it every day. 2. Find your path. Know where you are and where you're going. To succeed, you need to know 2 things: where you are now and where you want to go. It's like using GPS. If you know your location and your goal, you can plan the best way to get there. But if you feel lost or don't know what you want, it's hard to move forward. How to do it? Write your goals clearly. Break big goals into small steps. Make a map. Write where you are now and what you need to do next. Small steps every day lead to big success over time. 3. Use success signals. Notice positive signs. Our brain needs feedback. When we see signs that we are improving, we feel more motivated and strong. These are called success signals. They help us keep going. Example: if you want to get fit and you walk 10 minutes every day, that's a small success. Celebrate it. Small wins build big results. How to do it? Track your progress. Celebrate even small steps. Focus on what is working, not just what is missing. This helps your brain feel that you are on the right path. 4. Stop the noise. Reduce negative input. Today, there is too much noise in our lives. Bad news, social media stress, angry people, and fear. This noise makes our brains tired and afraid. We must protect our minds. How to do it? Spend less time with negative people. Watch less bad news. Spend time in nature, read good books, or do hobbies you enjoy. You don't need to ignore reality. Just protect your energy and choose what you focus on. Positive energy helps you move forward. 5. Spread positive reality. Share happiness with others. When you feel positive, you can help others feel that way too. Happiness grows when it is shared. One happy person can change the mood of a room. You can be that person. How to do it? Say kind words. Encourage your friends and family. Teach others how to see the good in life. When you help others feel better, you feel better too. It also makes your relationship stronger. Extra ideas from the book. You don't need to be born happy. You can train your brain like a muscle. Positive thinking is not just dreaming. It helps your brain work better, faster, and smarter. You can control how you see the world, even if you cannot control everything around you. Change takes time, but if you keep going, your brain will become stronger and more hopeful. Your story about life can change. You can choose a better story, starting today. Why is this book important? Many self-help books tell you to think positively, but Before Happiness is different. It uses science and real-life stories. It gives practical steps. You don't just feel good, you actually do better. This book is helpful for students, workers, parents, teachers, anyone who wants a better life. It's not about pretending, it's about building real strength inside your mind. Conclusion: Before Happiness shows us a new way to think. It tells us that happiness is not a prize we get after hard work. It is the power we need before we begin. With 5 simple steps: choose your reality, find your path, use success signals, stop the noise, and spread happiness. We can train our brains to be stronger, more hopeful, and ready for success. When your brain is positive, your whole life changes. You feel better, work better, and live better. Hey there! If you're enjoying this video and want to improve your life step by step, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Every video here is designed to help you learn, grow, and succeed. Whether it's mastering your money, improving your English, or building a better future. By following this channel, you're not just supporting me. You're helping yourself to become smarter, stronger, and more successful every single day. So, what are you waiting for? Click subscribe, leave a comment, and let's grow together.